Alright, you guys, today we're gonna do some mods on the TL again. I bought a new one.
Look, I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from.
We got another TL in the lot right now. I got my buddy Alex here. We're gonna be installing the short shifter. How many miles on it?
I got that TL with 82,000 miles. I put about 5,000 on it myself, so it's sitting at about 86 or 87K right now.
There's another cleaner TL in the lot than mine. Let's quick walk around. You got front A-spec. Super clean inside. The rain kind of attacked it earlier, but it's clean. Where'd you get your car?
Colorado.
You drove all the way to Colorado?
Yeah, we flew to Colorado and then we drove it back.
Nice.
1,400 miles.
Oh, I like this piece right here. I don't think mine was. This has been replaced, huh?
Probably. This is OEM windshield.
That looks good. We got two of the cleanest TLs here in Portland installing a short shifter on the car today. Super hyped about this. You guys want to just do me a favor real quick and follow Alex on Instagram because he's going to be helping me do this. Down in the description or right here. Just stop the video right now. Go follow him. How many followers you got?
I don't know. Like
Do you post the TL on Instagram?
Not yet.
Are you going to start?
Probably.
If you get 500 followers off this, will you start?
Sure.
Alright, you guys go follow him. Let's check this out. HR Racing, or Hybrid Racing, short shifter. He just installed this into his car. Let me just try it. Look at this interior, guys. Super clean. Alright, so he just got his installed right here. Looking really good. And just feels super short. I'm excited for this. Let's knock this out. So first step, remove the trim. Super easy, it pops right out. I got an extra hand here, so this is nice. These seats are super slippery. Even the ground is.
Yep.
I shouldn't have put that stuff on there.
Seriously,
The TL got a nice detail yesterday. Everything's super slick.
What did you use to detail the inside?
I detail with like all-purpose cleaner, and then I go over with Aerospace 303.
There you go.
Drop the screws in there so we can't lose them, even though one will disappear.
Probably. It's so much longer than mine. It's crazy.
I know. My first time removing this interior piece, so I got him with me to show me how. So down here inside the little cubby piece, removed the rubber, and then there's two little screws right here, the silver ones that you got to remove.
Slide that back.
Yep.
And it should just come out. There we go. Then you have one.
Little thing inside of here is a little light. Oh yeah, I actually did swap this LED. Was it red inside there?
I don't know.
Maybe not.
I didn't see it.
Anyways, it's kind of dirty in there. His 07 does not have this little light down here. So there's one difference. Slippery?
It's slippery.
Let me try.
There we go.
There you go.
Compress that and pull it down. There you go. There's a clip here, 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 here.
Okay.
So we kind of have to pull this out.
Same time?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter.
Oh, it's just a side
Yeah,
trim.
you just kind of pull it out. I'll hold it.
There we go.
And then this,
Wait, got one more?
yeah, then this piece should kind of just come out. There's one more connector over here for the cigarette lighter.
Sick.
It's out.
It's out.
Pretty easy.
Here's the OEM one, guys. I'm surprised it's not dirty down. Oh, it's a little bit right here. So here's cigarette, guys. Make sure you guys unplug that before you yank it out.
And then this piece is, I don't know why it's there, but I removed mine.
Plastic is like insulation, keeps you warm.
Probably.
I'm just kidding. These guys pop out?
Yeah, they just pop out. So now with all this apart, you gotta take out this little clip, turn it sideways a little bit, and then
It should pop up.
it should pop up.
Was there a video you watched or you just did all yourself?
I just did this myself.
So we just yanked out this pin right here that goes right here. You got to give it some force, and now this piece is free. Now we're gonna remove all these bolts right here. It's a 12 millimeter, guys, so 4 12 millimeter bolts that you need to remove.
There we go. It's pretty easy.
Got it? Nice. That thing is so ugly.
Yeah, that shit is nice.
Good thing it's covered up.
Yeah.
All right, you can toss it outside. Well, I mean, set it down.
Toss it. You have to spread these apart to free the bushing on the bottom of the shifter rod. So that's what I did, is I spread this apart and it freed the pushing on the bottom.
Okay, I think that's gonna be the part that if you're doing this, you're gonna get stuck on if you don't know what you're looking at. So like you just said, separate these things and slide it that way.
Slide it down, yeah.
Slide it down.
Yeah, just push down, yeah.
Yep. All right. Ready for this little sucker to go in. Got all the pieces and new screws right here. Time to install. Got our cotter pin back in right here. Actually, this one's not a cotter pin. This is a slip-on pin. So first step, we put the 2 bolts in right here, and then we slid this piece on, and then we put this piece into the black little ball that's underneath here. It was kind of hard to show on camera, so now we're just showing you the final touch.
Oh, and it doesn't slide on because you gotta loosen it up.
Here you go. Yeah, I want to turn sideways like that. I want to see the HR and sideways.
That's how mine is too. That looks kind of janky.
I have to put the boot on now, right?
Well, I don't think you can have the boot on if it's all the way up, because the boot might not.
Oh, are we all the way up?
Yeah. You said you wanted it tall, so.
Let me tighten this thing down. Give me a couple hours.
Yeah, 1,000,000 threads, dude.
Here's the test, guys. That's so short.
Yeah, that's fucking crazy.
We're gonna put everything back together in the same way we took it out. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my, it's in, guys. This interior looks insane, especially with my little son up there. But woo. I was just backed out of this car. We're gonna take the car for a test drive and test out what this short shifter actually feels like. Currently waiting for the car to air up, so I lose pressure here and there. Oh, there we go. I'm so hyped for this, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the red, especially because I think it just ties in with everything. This red is a little bit lighter, but then I got the light red and dark red up there. So I mean, it all just kind of blends into me. With the shift knob, guys, I want to hear recommendations down in the comments. I haven't ordered one yet. He has the HR one, which feels pretty cool. Let me know what you guys want to see on this car. I haven't ordered one yet. Put some links or something so I can get a new one. All right, guys, so it's raining outside, so we can't do any like launches or anything. At least anything that would be worth filming. But we are gonna get a test. So far, it's solid. Whoa, I didn't even know. That felt weird. That's a short throw. That is weird.
That's great.
So this thing feels amazing. I'll do an actual pull down the road. Later, bro. Thank you, man.
Have a good one.
Yep. That's going to conclude today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, massive shout out to Alex for helping me install this. It feels amazing, looks amazing, and we got to get him back on the channel again because we need more TLs. Go follow him on Instagram. Get him like 500. I just said 500, but I want everyone who's following this to go give him a follow, and we're gonna see him again. We got to. Interior is coming along super nice with this car. We got the Starlight all finally done, so it's a little bit less dramatic now. I got them all trimmed perfectly, and got the steering wheel, of course. We got the middle pieces, and next, you guys been talking about trim, and I want to do like a carbon forged trim. So I'm gonna go with a carbon forge theme for this car. So I might be doing that soon. But as for interior, we got a nice little mod going. Subscribe to the channel, guys. We're trying to get to 25K by the end of the year, and I'm gonna be posting consistently. So just stay tuned for them uploads, have them post notifications on. If you enjoyed, drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next video.